7. Welcome to the house of God. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord. Verse number 7. Somebody read for us, please.
Ngase ngithi bheka ngiyeza encwadini eswangayo kulotshiwe ngami ukuthi ngiyathanda ukwenza intando yakho nkulunkulu wami nomthetho wakho usenhlizweni yami.
Umthetho wakho usenhlizweni yami. Can we read in English, please? Psalms 40, verse number 7 and 8.
Then said I, Lo, I come in the volume of the book, it is written of me.
I come in the volume of the book that is written of me.
I delight to you thy will, oh my God.
Hallelujah.
He
Verse number
thy
7.
law.
Then I said, Look, I have come, and these have been written about me in your scroll. Somebody say, I'm a written scroll. I am not a label. Say it again, I'm a written scroll. I'm not a label. Hallelujah. The worst thing that can ever happen to a human being or a son of Elohim, and their destiny is not poverty. The worst thing that can happen to a son of Elohim is not wickedness or witchcraft. The worst thing that can ever happen to a human being is not even sickness. The worst thing that can happen to a son of Elohim is the prison, or to be trapped in the prison of perception. One of the things that are labeled as worse is when you are put in the prison of perception. Mawubanjwe wavaleleka la bantu bakufuna khona and abakakubeki njengomuthi, bakubeke ngamagama abakhulumile, ngama labels ababeke phezu kwakho. The things they thought about you, the things they want you to be, the things they hope you become, the things they hope you would do for them. A label over your life. When they expect you to be something you are not. Mabafuna ube ilento oke waba yiyo kodwa ongasafuna ukuba yiyo. That's the worst prison ever. Because when a person afakwa kule zone le, uthola ukuthi akasabi lo muntu efanele abe uye, uthola ukuthi uyaqindezeleka. Men have the proclivity to put other human beings, or tendency to put other human beings in these prisons. Bathanda abantu ukufaka kule jele le perception. Where we have read, we say that you are a scroll, of which now you're like a book that is written and can be read by many. But people enjoy one chapter of your life and they want you to live in that chapter forever. Some people enjoy one line in your book and they want you to live in that line forever. Some people enjoy the one page of your life and then they want you to live in that page forever. And you can feel the pain in the zelega. I am not that person anymore. I'm saying I am a changed person now. I'm not only talking about people who have been sinning and now they are saved. They are saved and the people around them want them to continue to be like sinners. That's one thing. I'm talking about saved people who have changed from the level they were in into another level. There are people obo enjoy nabo ukuba lukewarm, obo enjoy nabo ukubanda, obo enjoy nabo kuba nobody. But right now you are something else. They can't accept the fact that you have changed. And they even say it to your face that you have changed. and you feel obligated to change into the box they've created to you, actually for you, and ufuna ukubuyela nawe because you don't want to lose them. People have the power, and some of them, and most of them, they are given the power by us to chain you and chain your destiny to one mistake, one moment, one mystery, one miracle, one event, one stage, one act, just one thing you ever did, and sabakwazi ungleyondo. Even when you prove yourself that I'm no longer that person, they push you back into being that person. Even when you manifest differently and you act differently, they push you back to being that person. Angiseyena lo muntu ongakwazi ukuthandaza. Angiseyena lo muntu ongakwazi ukushumayela. I'm no longer that person. I'm no longer the powerless person you met. I am now powerful. I'm no longer the person who didn't know what to do in a situation. Now I know what to do in a situation. I'm no longer the person who would sit down and watch things crumble and fall before them, whereas they know what they can do. Now I know what I have to do to fix things, but they will push you back. And some have even the audacity to push you back into a season. Maybe it was a particular season when you were broken, and they want you to be that victim. They want you to tell a story not from the victory standpoint, but they want you to tell your story from a victim standpoint. Because you once came to them and you cried wakhala phambi kwabo concerning a certain person, and the person has apologized, and you are now living right with the person. But we fixed our issues and we're focusing on something new right now. But they will say, awuzazi ukuthi ufunani. Kanti ngiyazazi akakho umuntu ongenalo iphutha. Wathi sekalenzile sakhuluma sabonisana saqolelana sabuyisana sase siyaqhubeka. Because angeke ubalahle bonke abantu. Njengoba nawe bangakakulahli bonke abantu. So I'm dealing today with the topic that many ignore, which we label as typecast. When bagu typecastile, or when you are typecasted or typecasting, it's when bakuvalela position A1. Ngasakhona ukuphakama. You were a cheerleader at school and they want you to be a cheerleader even right now. They were motivational speaker in the early days of their lives, and they still want you to be their motivational speaker even as we speak right now. You were their support system back then, but right now you have a family. You have to take care of your family, and they say you are changing on them. You are turning your back on them, but I'm trying to protect something new. It's not the fact that I hate them, but the responsibilities have now surmounted and added in my life. They now see me as a bad person because I no longer stretch my hands towards them, but I stretch my hands towards other people. But because they have typecasted me as that person, nakuthiwa ngiyenzi le ndaba ijwayele sengiwumuntu omubi. Alikho ijele elibuhlungu njengaleli. And you're not the first one who will be or who is experiencing it. We found in the book, actually in our Bibles, whereby they said to Jesus, "Isn't this boy the son of the carpenter? Isn't this boy Emmanuel the carpenter?" Whereas he was proclaiming himself as the Son of God, which is what they never saw coming, which was a dimension they never thought he would ever be in, because they are used to buying stuff from him made of wood, but they didn't expect him to be supernatural and powerful. They only accepted the economical Jesus, not the one of encounters, which is what is happening even as we talk about you. They accept the person osebenzayo, but I know konzayo. Bamthanda lo mama okhuthele osebenzayo bandakayo. Kodwa lo othandazayo basamfuni manje. They love the person they went to school with.
but they don't like the person who has went to Mount Zion and is coming back with mysteries right now. They enjoyed when you were giving them lessons and lectures and ideas and answers to questions concerning chemistry. But now when you're talking about the relationship with God, you are making a mistake. When you tell them about power and the power of God, they now see you as someone who has what we call psychosis. But unenkinga engqondo lo muntu, but unenkinga engqondo yokubona izinto zakamoya ezingekho azakhe ngengqondo yakhe. Some they label you as a schizophrenic. Some they say you are full of delusions. But you're bringing solutions. You're being typecasted. Abamthanda ubaba osindisiwe abantu. Bathanda ophuzayo. Abamthanda ubaba osenkosini abantu. Bathanda olahlekile osestradini. Abamthanda umama onomthetho abantu. Bathanda umama ongenamthetho ovumela kwasani. And uke wakuvumela before. You were okay with certain things before. But the word entered my life. I come in the volume of what is written about me. And from the scrolls I saw when I ascended, I saw myself as a righteous man with the law of God hanging upon my heart. The person cannot be an unrighteous person because they have seen a scroll about themselves when they journey to Zion. So now when you tell them that I've seen a better version of myself, but uzenza ngono. But banele uhamba ka prophets sabanempakamo. But I've found out and I've realized and I've seen who I am according to the manuscripts. According to what God has designed for my life. Sengiyazi ngubani according to God. Not according to what my mother thought I would be. Not according to the wishes of my friends. Not according to what my partner wanted me to be. Not according to what my pastor wanted me to be. I have journeyed to a zone where I saw a scroll. And the scroll had my name. And I was told who I am. I was told how powerful I am. I was told what I can do. I was told what I can fix. I was told what I carry. I was told about my potential. I was told about the things I can fix in this life. And I was told that I'm a righteous man. I cannot be found on the wrong. Not because there are no opportunities for me to do wrong, but because what was written and what I read from the scroll prohibits me to be that person. From that scroll, I have preached in great congregations and I have refrained my lips, oh Lord, and thou, oh Lord, knowest me. This man has seen himself beyond the eye of education. This person has seen themselves. This type of a person cannot be put in a box, cannot be caged in a box. Because there is something they found out, Lindo, when they were reading the scriptures. They discovered things about themselves that science books never told them. But they have discovered something now because they have entered a zone that is now prophetic and futuristic. They now see that they are beyond the limitations of men. They can't be limited. They can't be stopped. They can't be sick. They are not supposed to be sick. They are not supposed to be bound. They are not supposed to be blocked. They are not supposed to be full of bondages. They are not supposed to be the way they are right now. They are not supposed to be demon possessed. They've realized something about themselves. They've entered the zone where they are called the flame of the living God. They've entered the zone where Isaiah called them the tree of righteousness. They've entered the zone where they are called the center and the cornerstones, the stones, the precious stones in the hand of the Lord. They have entered the zone where they were told that they have been cleansed by the blood of Jesus. They've entered the zone where they've been told that they've been washed by the hyssop of Jesus. They've entered the zone where they've been told that they are more than just human beings. They are kings and priests. They have power to bind things on earth, and those things can be bound in heaven. These people have seen themselves the way God sees them. These people cannot be hindered. You can't scare a person who have seen themselves in the scroll of Yeshua. When they've seen themselves in the word of God. I have not hid thy righteousness within the perimeters of my heart. That I have declared thy faithfulness and thy salvation. I have not concealed my loving kindness and thy truth to the great congregation. These are people who testify. Nabantu bathi bangathola ukulunga nokulungiswa bese bayakutshela abanye abantu ukuthi uyasekunendlela engiyibonile philase sekunendlela ephakeme kunaleyo mhlaba sekunento emnandi kunale esiyaziyo thina sekunento amehlo angahlala ibheke kuze kuyoshona ilanga kodwa angaphelelwa amandla sekunento amagama ongawathatha uwamikise kuyo phinde ufake amasha phinde sekunendawo la unikezwa khona amandla imonster ngeke kunikeze lamandla. These people know that God has not withheld mercy when it pertains their lives. Because they are now called the sons of Elohim. They are now called the blessed nation. They may be part of South Africa that is full of corruption and full of immorality, but they know that they are in this world, but they are not of this world. They are fleeting shadows walking up in the speed of light. In a world with innumerable evil, they have lived in purity. They have seen something in God. That's my so small. Agakho ngathi lona doli lona urepresenta wena ngubophe ngawo noba ngaze balanda uTeddy Bear was 700 but uresembula wena because you have seen yourself as a flame of fire. How can you tame fire? How can you stop fire? How can you block fire? We are from the consuming fire. We are the flames of fire. Once you realize who you are in thought, you understand that this is nothing compared to who you are. You are powerful. Isn't it clear? So even Jesus Christ was called a carpenter, but they couldn't handle the part when he told them that I'm a son of God and I'm God himself. I am the Word and I was here before time. Everything that was created through me, by me, for me. And these people were like, no, we know you. Your father is Joseph. Your mother is Mary. We know you. You can't tell us that you are from the Father. According to the scrolls you are reading, the Messiah is like this and like this and like, because bantu bayazi into kumele ukuthi ube yiyo kodwa abafuni ukuthi ube yiyo. Bantu bayazi ukuthi kumele ube njani kodwa bayokuvala ukuthi ube yileyo nto. Bantu bayibona into ngaba yiyo i-potential bayibona. Ngakho they come to you to block you with all the nonsense. They know where you can go, how high you can go, how deep you can go, how you can see. So they block you before time. So that is why I came here today to announce that you're not a stereotype, that you're not a label, that you're not one sim character. You are multi-dimensional. You are a scroll. Elohim has written about you. You are full of dimensions. You are full of power. The level you are about to enter, no one will enter. In the name of... It happened when they met Joseph. They knew him as their brother. They knew him as their brother. And as a dreamer. And they said, we accept the fact that you are a brother and we accept the fact that you are a dreamer. But when Joseph was a governor, they couldn't comprehend that. But I'm sure that even if I can be separated from my brother for 40 years, when I see my brother, I will know my brother. Even if we can be separated, even when it comes to a malini mbonu tukebile mnankebanga aye kwenye country nami ngibe kwenye country kodwa mangidibana naye angeke angipick mfowethu ngizombona. There is a part of them that realized and recognized that might be Joseph. That could be Joseph. That person resembles the brother we sold to the Ishmaelites or the Midianites. Loya umfowethu bathi banqaba ukuvuma bala ukuvuma ukuthi uye, because there is a version yakho laba ohamba nabo manje bangayoze bayemngena. Some they can accept the fact that you are a dreamer, but you living in your dreams can become a problem. The fact that you are a visionary is okay, but you living in the vision will be a problem. The fact that you are a seer is not a problem, but you seeing through their lives, that will be a problem. The fact that you are a prophet is not a problem, but the fact that you are now prophesying your life, prophesying your future, and prophesying them, that will become a problem. Abanandaba abantu ukuthi uyini, but lento yakho ungaphili uze ube yiyo. Abanandaba ukuthi usibona uyini, as long as ungabi yiyo. One day I will be great, one day I will be high, one day I will be big, one day I will be strong, one day I will take over, one day I will be bigger, one day I will be this and that. Bayakhazeka abantu nethi mawusayixoxa lento bahlala nawe banqobone balalela ungathi ukhuluma inganekwane, kanti wena lento masuyitholwa ngaphakathi funa bese ufana noDavid bese uthi Sawula ngiyabazi abafowethu bazumelusi wezimvu zikababa bazi nomuntu abalethela ukudla kuhle kwe-Uber Eats, but namhlanje I came as a giant slayer. I'm not just a man abamaziyo, I'm not just their brother. Today I am David. Today I come in as a giant slayer. I don't know what's the position about Valela Mungu, but when it's time to man up, stand up and man up. When it's time to take the suit, stand there, suit and not sit. Basa kwisikhathi sakho sokuhlala endaweni enamandla, hlala endaweni enamandla in the name of. Some don't know. When they saw David also, some of them they saw him as a giant slayer. Even when Saul was talking about him, he was talking about David as a giant slayer, just only as a giant slayer. You understand the most? You see dimensions of a man as a cooler dimension. So before bazumuntu ehlane phinda abuye angafi kodwa abuye namascars bazumelusi obuye nezimvu zikababa ziphelele noma esinye ilimele kodwa bazumelusi baze futhi umuntu owabenza bangathandwa in their community, baze umuntu ongaqualify ukuba isoldier in the army of Saul, baze nje umuntu nje. You understand nama nasethiwa kuyahanjwa ke manje ubabakhe umbona njengomuntu ongaphatha umphako, akamboni njengomuntu owendlula kule level yokuphatha umphako awumixele bafowabo, akambona nakazi ukuthi kule level yokuba ngumelusi bekatrainwa ukuthi abe inkosi. So nalabo abadibana naye babona i-giant slayer umlahle phansi uGoliath, kodwa uSaul akanandaba ukuthi umlahle phansi uGoliath, uthi ngicela ungidlalele ihabhu kuze kuhamba amademon stila nanoma sekabulela uGoliath. Akabona kanjengenkosi ngoba lento ayifihle kuJehova, abaningi angeke bayibone kodwa yena uyayibona. Abaningi angeke bayivalidate kodwa yena uyayivalidate. Abaningi bayi-underestimate kodwa yena uyayiphakamisa. There is an oil of kingship even in your life. There is an oil of promotion even in your life. There is a leader in you, a leader they don't want to accept, a leader they don't want to recognize, but you've been anointed by the Father. There is an oil of kingship over your life. and no one can stop you from being the king God has created you to be. In the name of touch on them and say, I'm more than what you see. You're not talking, you're not speaking, you're not declaring like I wanted you to declare. I'm saying, touch on them and say, I'm more than what you see. I'm telling you, there's something more about me. There's something more about me. There's something I think about that I've not yet executed. There's something I've written down that I've not yet executed. There are things I talk about when I have a meeting with myself that I've not yet executed. You may be seeing a next leader, but I'm the next leader. I don't know of what, but I may be the next leader because you will reintroduce yourself to me because I'm ready to be multi-dimensional. I'm ready to be bigger than where I am right now. So I refuse the spirits of limitations. I refuse the spirits of limitation in the name of. You know the talks, you know the meetings you held with yourself. We are asked now. They are asked later. Oyikhulumayo kuwe oyikhuluma ngawe hayi abayishoyo ke ngawe le wena oyisho ngawe uyayazi wena uyangizwa boss uyayazi ukuthi I'm going to be great. I don't feel great but I'm going to be great. I don't look great but I'm going to be great. I don't feel the energy that I'm going to be great but I know I'm going to be great. There is this deep knowing that keeps on gnawing in my spirit, keeps on nagging in my spirit, telling me that I'm born for something better. I'm born for something bigger than where I am. There are better and greener pastures beyond this level. Abayazi mihlangano ibambayo. Abayazi babona uhamba nabo basokuthi uphelele la. Basokuthi indlela yakhe iphelela la. Abekho labanda. I'm about to change on you. I'm about to change on you. I'm about to change on you. You only know an intercessor. I'm a global strategist. I'm a global advisor. Know yourself in the dimension of our then speak it to your life. Let's say Kuluma Lendo in the name of Satan, the son of Elohim. Satan, the son of Elohim. Satan, the son of Elohim. I'm multi-dimensional. I'm unstoppable. I'm unboxable. In the name of. Even if they can create boxes of 5 box, but osebenzala angeke abe nalokho. There was a story that was on the news of this petrol attendant, a lady, or when the lenders about petrol and stuff. There was one petrol attendant. Wathenga imoto. Lo boss wakhe walwa naye waze wafuna ukumqosha. Because the lady lived beyond the means of her finances awatolayo. Because even another boss bang attempts, or which this person can afford a car, can buy a car, can do anything. If no matter if when I want to do something big about the noma ngawufuna ukwakha indlu uyangizwa enkulu ungayakha noma ngawufuna ukuthenga istand bathi 100,000 ungakhathazeki ungayibuki ngobuningi bayo ibale ngama-stallments uthi nje mangingaseva imali engaka ngifake imali engaka ngenze lokhu ungifakele imali engaka lento le ngingayi-afforda. Tell yourself everything is affordable. Everything is affordable. Tell yourself to me nothing is expensive. Everything is affordable. Let's enter another level. Every goal is achievable. There is no goal I cannot achieve. Every goal is achievable. Then look at your goal and say, I will graduate. I will do this. I will achieve this. I might be the first in my family, but I'm breaking a record. I'm breaking a record. Somebody said, I'm a record breaker. I'm a line crosser. I'm a soul winner. I'm a barrier breaker. I'm a record breaker. I'm a line crosser. I'm a soul winner. In the name of. I don't just feel empty gaps in jail as when I step in as a gap filler, I feel seats that are beyond, seats that are above, seats of leadership. Angihlanje esitulweni ngoba si-empty. Angena ikuthrone nje yombuso ondekendeke. ngifakwe endaweni yabantu abakhulu. I don't know ukuthi ufakwa kuphi. Angazi ufakwa kuphi. Kodwa u-level 7 upossible. Umntana akhe angawuthola u-level 7. I-distinction i-possible. Ngiyakutshela utshelwa yini possible. Admission events impossible. AUJ basengamthatha umntana akho. Somebody shout it's possible. Shout it's possible. In the name of Jesus. But refuse until I'm script. Refuse them. We are in the vision. No matter try example. Don't say I'm poor even in example. No. Let's say you are poor. No, I am not poor. As choose a reason up. Let me be the rich person. I'm telling you, I'm full of poor and push it. Let's say when you're tagged. No, I'm tagged. I am the one who's a tagged. As choose a tagged. Would rather throw someone who's a fan of tagged. Even in example, I'm not poor. Even the man told me to work his story. I can't associate myself with barrenness. I can't associate myself with limitation. I can't associate myself with wickedness. Somebody say, I'm breaking out tonight. Shout, I'm breaking out tonight. Don't be confined to a single role. Don't be confined. Try things. Try new things. We have tried business. I'm a fed cook. Zamenya food. Asifana namakula nganzo. Zala lo, bese uzama lo, bese uzama lo, bese uzama. Ungaphelela amandla okuzama. Nyanizomuz. Keep on trying. Don't run out of ideas. This one didn't work. Let me start this. Okay, angikwazi mina ukubreak inwele zabantu. But ngingaba nayo imali yokuthenga iWendy wathi yini kodwa lento leya Wendy House. Ibizwa ukuthi Wendy House mos. Yes. Lo mkhukhu loya. Kuthiwa iWendy House. Ngithatha yona ngifaka abantu phakathi, ngifaka itulo, ngifaka ipili, ngifaka ngaphakathi, ngithi abantu abaqhina abantu. Mina I can't do it, but people can rent ukuhlala ngaphakathi. Lento leya mali 3.2, 3.5, 4,000 somewhere there. U-invest kuye besithatha abantu bafaka ngaphakathi. Do you know how many people even in this church have the skills so break inwele zabantu, but they don't have a place. But when ungayenza lento leyo barente kuwe labantu daily or weekly barente kuwe yabothi imali ungayakha indaba ukuthi wena usitshela ukuthi no mina fanele ngisebenze serita bese ngiba right mangangena eTrolopa ngiyoba right. Sometimes when you're waiting for that, try something new. When you're waiting for something bigger, try something new. Listen to me, don't even let your certificate bind you. Into ayifundela ingakubophi ayingakuvaleli. Yazi ukuthi ungafundela into ebhekele bese wenza into ebhekele bese ufundela yona ngapha usifundise yona kuphi nga okunye nganza ukuthi sakwenza ngoba ku-available hayi ngoba si-passionate ngako. We went for it because ingqondo yethu yaku-accepta nabantu esasihlala nabo bekade baku-accepta. We didn't have ama-resources of finance lokho kunye. What am I saying to you? You can change any course. You can change any cause. You can change even if you're you can change. Starting from today, change. So when I'm going to change, I'm going to monetize my content. I'm going to create content and monetize it. I'm going to sell online. I'm going to go online and tell people that is study packing now. So I'm going to go online and say my handbag now. My roses in ngabahlanganisela. Idekho ngiyakwazi ukuyenza. Ngisho ungakwazi ukuyenza. Uyamazi usisi Judith uyayenza la khaya. Uyamazi usisi Sibanibana uyayenza la khaya. Uyamazi uMambonani uyayenza la khaya. Uyamazi ubani nobana. Ubatshela ukuthi ngiyayenza. They come to you. We have Mambonano Bush price at 1.5, with 3.5 bakale, with 3,000, 10,000 rand. We find out Mambonano happy. Now we're happy. Now we're happy. Sometimes you don't have to know the skill. If you have the money, just do it. That's all you need. That's all you need. I don't know if you have not noticed. I've noticed. Imisebenzi yaqala iyaphela. Mama iyavula yavalwa. Ayaretrenchwa. Kasho abantu abaningi ngemvelo baretrenchwa. But if you can do something. Kale nje namhlanje ukuthi I'm changing the way. I'm a public speaker from today going forward. But when you're public speaker, yes, I'm a public speaker. Then go find books about public speaking. Then follow people who do public speaking. Then stand before the mirror, start speaking before the mirror, deliver speeches. I'm an MC of events. Then look at MC. Wasemishadena. Bahola bomalini. babhukwa ngabomalini 4,000 5,000 depende ukuthi waziwa kanganani une-following enganani. I create content online. I become an MC in my own house. I become an MC kulama graduation asema-crash. I start there. I go to other graduations. Ngiyesontweni ngikaba MC. I'm growing this skill. I'm growing this thing. Mangiyikhulisa lento. As time goes on, I will reflect where I started. No one is supposed to be shy. You can't be shy when you are broke. You can't be ashamed when you are broke. You are too broke to be ashamed. You are too yekanza kwethu. Okunye bengisasho kwendawo. Imotivation mina ngiyifuna ivela komunye umuntu. Lengihlupheke ngidlule kuyo is my motivation. Lengihlupheke ngingafuni ukuya kuyo is my motivation. Angifuni ingane zami mina zidibane nomuntu odrive imoto enkulu kunale yami bese ithi ingane yami hey bantu banemali bantu bathina siyahlupheka lento le angifuni ivele emlomeni wengane yami bathi bantwana ba trip owakha ka i-trip hayi mina ngoba umama ka afford kuthiwe kuyabuza malini trip at 700 you can't afford. So the devil is a liar. Somebody say I'm changing this. Shout man, I'm changing this. Shout I'm changing this. Nothing is expensive for me. Nothing is expensive. Say everything is affordable. Say it again, everything is affordable. If I bypass nothing is expensive for me. And everything is affordable. Once you say to your mind, everything is affordable, your mind will help you to create ways to afford it. Everything you're wearing right now, no, but yes, yes, okay, I'll take to bed. Yonke into oyigqokile manje, yonke ifoni oyiphethe manje, khona othi durile. Mawuyiphethe khona uthi wow, wena usebenzisa leyo phone leyo nami ngiyayifisa. Komunye idulile lento oyiphethe. Angisho mos, kunjani? It means now you afforded it. Sothi nokunye othi wena lento leni idurile ayikaduri ngoba khona oyiphethe. Babenza ngani laba abaphambili ukuthi bavele bayithenge without even thinking. So if you tell your mind this is affordable, this is achievable, you can do it. Kabanga khona abantu 40 years ehlanu. Imagine uhamba nabehlanu. You are not going to say it's this thing is achievable, this can happen. It happened. You will never think it is possible. Let me not go to the Bible. Let me come to myself. I'll be a fagaz the following month or the following Sunday acting pillage. You never thought a person in a baby Sunday pass wako. I never thought of that myself, but my father told me it is achievable, it is doable, you can do this. Then a baby Sunday pass what pillar. So now you can do it even to yourself. When the Sunday, ubeki sanje uphethe ikhanda uthi lalela headache so uhleli la isikhathi eside malanga okuhlala lana wakho saphelile. Get out of my house, get out of my body. This is the temple of the living God. No sickness has power over this body. Let yalalela ngokuqala mawusho umzimba wethu uyadlala ukugula kwethu uyadlala, but the more uqhubeka the more kubeka. We're going to last till and it lasts half a day, it lasts an hour, and in other days, you last just a second. We also want to pay now. That's in other days, who's a pelunaga, who's a corner, in the pelunaga in Shoga Gagan Bamba, in another Simba, so dry as she left, who I am powerful, I am a living flame. Oh, Tagata, Matinda Mina, we are sharp, we are fat in the name of. Single role. Don't be confined. Don't be even stereotype. Overgeneralized. Bakwenza nje ube general. Uyafana na wonke umuntu. Noma ngifananisa nobaba umzalayo, siyaqabana. Angifani nobaba wami. Angifanisi naye. Ubaba wami yena kodwa angifani naye. Because there are things esempilweni yakhe engasifuni empilweni yami. You understand mos? Yes, ubaba wami kodwa ngifuna ngifananisa naye. Ngifana noJehova. The first thing your friend can't find now, couldn't long let him have a Yanisa come and was a bed, but Babam fan now. He went to Shire. I guess to so under Bazal bed of a fun to cover our Wednesday. But I'm trying to open your mind because some of you are trying to look like a celebrity. They say I look like Chris Brown. That's what they say. I'm Bugalo Chris. Sibuga no Brown. This is Buga Wayne. We are the man. But I look like Chris Pratt. What am I trying to say? Ungazami ukusifananisa nabantu ngoba ugcina uthatha impilo yabo. Ugcina wenza lokhu abakwenzayo. I think you've seen it with Michael Jackson. Everyone wants to be like Michael Jackson. Even right now, dala afunda nabantu. Kodwa wangena online uthi Michael Jackson right now. Khona umuntu ogqokisa kwakhe ofaka makeup njengaye. Can you imagine that nonsense? People want to be like somebody else. They are not excited and they are not happy with who they are. Mina I'm happy with who I am. Mina ngiyazithanda mina. Base bathi bantu hayi Nkosi yami uyayitshela ngiyazithanda vele. Ngiyazithanda mina. I love the way I am. I love myself with my faults. I love myself with my frailties. Inkinga zami ngiyazazi. But and I'm working on myself to become bigger and better. Now nesakho yeke ukuthanda omunye kwendlula wena ungabuka impilo yakhe bese I can do like him but ungabi confined to ugcine la agcina khona wasuya umuntu obozifananisa naye wabheda mshi bathenza ngisafana naye hayi wena boyfriend yalo angiseyona fan yakhona ngiyahlula kufeva ibhola mina ngoba mangithi ngifeva yini kodwa le team le iChiefs le yini kodwa le enye phambi 7 phezulu iSundowns mangithi ngifeva iSundowns lama players alapho sekahambile lebe ngibathanda bathi sebathengwe ngabanye ngapha sengizokufeva kanjani ngoba lo muntu ebengimfeva nangu uyasungale manje because mina bengilandela lo mdlalo webhola loya hayi le team lena manje irecord yenu siyayibona but ngithanda nanguya mina makahlangane nananguya babe sebahlangana nawe le ndlela bahlanganisa ngathi ngiyeke le ndebhola iyangihlula vele ngoba ngilandela iplayer mina ngizwi player nayi player man hayi nayi yesuka ngapha iyasilandela yona ke man ngiyangizwa because some of you are confined to a group that no longer works for you. It doesn't have what you need right now. It doesn't uphold the ethical structure osifunayo wena man. Outside fun lenda isakhuluma ngama morals owafunayo wena. But sengayilandela ngoba phela ngayijoina. Lahla lenda isangisebenzela. This thing is not working for me. I'm not following it ngoba isenze njani. Ayisangisebenze. Umuntu ebekade aphila kasekho ngapha. Sewuphi? Sewunga follow the right person. Follow the right Apostle Paul, follow me as I follow Christ. He didn't say follow the church. He said follow me as I follow Christ. Find a person that resonates with who you are, that resembles the person you want to be. Then follow them. If they fumble and fall, choose another one. Go forward. Go. Ask God. Typecast. Now would you not to feel ungithola ngusomabhizinisi uma uvela ngapha ungithola ngecomedian uvela ngapha ngumprofeti uma uvela ngapha nabagulayo ngiyabathandazela uma uvela ngapha ungithola ngikhansela abantu uma ungithola ngapha ngibusiness advisor uma uya ngapha ungithola ngiaccountant uma ungithola ngapha ngibhizi ngama models hleli phansi ngiyababonisa don't walk like this uhamba kanjani uthambisa kwedata don't walk like this walk like this is not catwalk catwalk uhamba kanjena funda lento ugqoka amagigi manje usimele wenza so do like this is not fashion lento lena udoti lo lahla lento le ngokuyigqoke lento lena ngewina mawuhamba so uzowina mawuhamba so you understand ukuthi ngikanjani mina that's who I am. Look at you, you're confined. Mina ngumkasana. That's the badge onayo wena yena ngumkasana ngazalela Paula ngwalaphola mina ngasekase Paul ukwenzeleni ba umkasana khuluma nami phela noma ngidama aphula nje khuluma nami kwenzeleni ba umkasana. Most of you nothing, you understand, but so ufuna ukuyibamba lento kana ikusebenzele, you understand. If something uyibona ukuthi lento ayisasebenzi yenza njani, move to something new. Faka intenja lento lesangisebenzele lento la isangifaka yabafana into othi bowuyidla ingakugulisi manje sofuna ukudla ngenkanga kodwa iyakugulisa. Ungamblame udoctor, ungamblame nomfundisi, siblame wena because kukhona into oyidla ibe mnandi mawusayiqala futhi kuphathe kahle, but over the years I build up Coca-Cola emzimbeni wakho ikwenza inkinga wena uqhubeka uyiphuze kodwa bayakutshela nase clinic ile Coca-Cola lele kuvusa nga2 ikuvuse ngo4 ebusuku bele kuvuka ngisho kubanda uye toilet. Ile Coca-Cola is destroying water ema kidneys wakho, ishukela lento iyo lekujulikisa njalo. Ile Coca ayingazi nembe khona la Jehovah ile Coke ibambe abantu abakhona ukuyaphi wathi pass efreezing uthathi ngathi angibhodle ngifuna la engathi yahlaba le iyadlala le nathathi Coke Zero angifuni Coke Zero ngifuna le engathi yahwahwaza le ubona abantu khona ukudla without ama-fizzy drinks mabanikeza ijuice uthi hayi ijuice bese ngisutha kakhulu ngifuna ikhokhi ngizobhodla yedehova yeyiwe. So if you find out that this thing is destroying me, let it go. Angithi siyakulimaza yenze njani lento, let it go. Bese isikhathulo makuthi asiyangiqinya noma ngasihle kanganani bayakudumisela kona abantu kodwa bayakubona ukuthi hayi nokona uyasha indlela ohamba ngayo uyabonakala futhi into masekuhlula lento ozama ukuba yiyo iyakuhlula manje. Do you know why ngashiya amajita mina? Yazi why ngaphuma amajiteni i1 ufuna ngibe tough noma ngekho tough. Bathiwa nje sidwele khona amshayile ngapha manje nafika emajita ngeke bangenze so nami sekufuna ngisuke manje sengiyakhona siyolwa. Angisi ready for ukulwa bengakasitshela for labantu bekadalwa nabo ba ready for ukulwa sengiyaya nami sebashale asibize namaphoyisa ngeke bashaye kanti asibabophisene yazi ukuthi ulikala kushawa abantu ulikala asibabisele besenzanga bodwa angiphuma majiteni ngavela nento enhle ngalalela abazali bangitshela ukuthi awusiyoyonza awusezwa ngomzali emzali yadlala uyona lapha ngoba nakamngane nakho bayakuvumela namhlanje kusasa bathi hawu ekhaya wena bakubuzi na wayengabuyela ekhaya kanti memsamajiteni ngengilaleli emza mina yazi Grootman understand sesibadala phela thina lento yakho ngayikusize leyo. If something is not working for you just leave it, uyiphonse ngawindow futhi into uyibona ukuthi ayisebenzi ungavaleleki but uyibhoza wena uyibhoza lama-chair ikhaya nepani ntombazana sala pha kuye yes mama sorry mama angilimalanga bhuti excuse mama awungeke wena awugezanga wey phambi kwawo hayi wena ngoyapi ositshela ukuthi umbhuti madlisa mshaya ngepani nje ubuyele emuva okunye kuyeke okunye yenze njani okunye sengimdala for kona now usitshela I'm too old for this nonsense lento lesengimdala for ukuthi ngabe lokungiyenza kuvela sengibele ngiyamgijimisa vele sengibele ngiyamgijimisa right now I have to lock down funa ngithola umuntu right lock in ngihlale naye lento ukugijimisa wonke umuntu. I'm telling you kuzelwe omuhle namanje kuzelwe obabayo nama kukhona oba imillionaire lokusikhuluma nayo manje something they are selling is that now ufuna omunye onemali wendlula lo onemali manje. I'm telling you kuzalwa omunye shothi uhamba uqoqoma siqoqondini. All right, no problem. Let's continue now. What are the dangers of being typecast? What are the dangers of being typecast? Number one, it reduces your eternal scroll to human scripts. And anula in the abantu ngam. People lie even when they are saying something right, but they lie. They over-explain, they exaggerate. No mungenzanga next. But kubungazuthi inkulu lento oyenzile. uDavid washa nje uGoliath. Babuyela abafazi babuyela ephakathi ekhaya bathi hey akasabulalanga inkulungwane. 1000 nina shaya umuntu oyi1 David akagijimisanga nobagijimiswa wathatha ikhanda wabuyela emuva. Kodwa abafazi mabuyela emuva uDavid ubulele 1000. People exaggerate. Don't live ngama scripts abhalwe abantu. Because abantu bayafakela ni pressure. They will tell you every day, you can do this, you can do this. Supportan phela no. Kani ngibambise no. Kani menam phela no. Nasekuphako. Yibo ke labavela khona. Basekudliwa. Nakuthatha izinto zamahala. Nako labavela khona. But masekuthiwa asibambisane phela sakhe na into nayo. Hayi bahlehla. Yena bekaqala nobani? Yena uthe wakacabanga ngani makaqala lento leyo. So uyabona indlela ebhalwe abantu ingozi ngoba umuntu sengayicima kusasa uthi uyafika kusasa uthwale petrol hlafunike kanti okubhalwe ezulwini angeke kushintshe. That's good. Yazi ukuthi uSamson abantu abaningi mangithi Samson bacabanga uDelilah. Do you know that? Mangithi Samson, they don't know that Samson was a judge. They don't see him as a strong man. They see Samson as a weak man. But Samson was a judge. Uyakwazi ukuthi uba ijudge ngalesa sikhathi lesa kwakuyinto enkulu kanganani. Samson was a judge. Samson was great in his time. When I was a prefect, a scholar in school, of a classroom. Yes, the put on class rep. What class rep? Kwakufuna abantu abomela isikole kulokuba ne-debate. Wahluleka ukukhethwa lapho. This man was a judge. But this man was great. But because of one mistake, how Samson walala no Delilah. Bangakho nosolele nabo manje. Asibuze wena bangakho solele nabo manje. Kodwa Samson ngoba istory sakhe kwakhulunywa ngaso ukuthi walala no Delilah, walahleka wakhishwa amehlo, wafa nezitha zakhe. Wena ezakho ziqeda wena. Ungcono Samson ezakhe wayibulala wafa nazo. Wena ezakho ziqeda wena manje. Phela uyahamba uyasibona nawe. Mangaba nomoya omkhulu nje la singaba senkingeni ngadina sobamba amafeni sobamba abantu nobe wani ngoba uyasibona ukuthi uyaphephuka nathi. Kodwa uSamson wafa nezitha. What am I trying to say? Ungabuki iphutha lomunye umuntu. And said bese umbamba ngephutha ngoba nawunelakho. Ungase uzumfaka ukuthi akase fail. Baba lo muntu waseja beka ku big position when uyasebenza manje. Awusimanager. Kodwa una 10 years usebenza le company. Abasakupromote nokuthi ufanele ube yi-supervisor. Bahlala phansi. Awuyindawo. Abafuna ukunikeza umsebenzi nyama bathi abe uwe obabhalisayo noma obabhekile. Kunzima ukuba supervisor. But when it comes to judging a person like a judge, like Samson, it's easy for you to cast a stone over Samson. Samson the failure. How about you? Okay, asikiyeke konke lokho. Asibiye lokushini la uhlala khona. Forum bake bakuphika nje wena. But ake songene nje ku forum sithi nje awusibambele uyosikhulumela emayini ku forum. Next. Ngisho ku strike abakwethemba ngebhodlela elinomlilo. Mawuthi avela ufuna kuhamba phambili bathi jika wena nini niyakholwa nebesolo nithandaza lana. Khwesha. Abakwethemba ngisho ku strike. What am I trying to say? Ungavumi ukubuka kabe omunye umuntu ngephutha lakhe ngoba nawe unelakho. So ungabavaleli abantu mawungafuna ukuvalelwa wena nikhona kodwa. He was a judge of Israel. And the thoughts of God concerning your life are higher. Ngakutshela ukuthi yazi mina ngicabanga ukuthi umtshela ukuthi ungacabanga lento icabanga yikho. Because some people will think of something ain't nonsense. Now bazuzibona uyilento. Just because so yabhala athi umunye hey mina ngibona ngathi uyi-author nawe ufuna ukubhala incwadi isiyodengwa ubani. Yodwa ayisho ungazami kodwa nje akase uyifunde nalento eyibhalile. You understand? If you do it, don't do it alone. Do it with other people. Ungayi ngokuthi abantu bacabangani, iya ngokuthi wena ucabangani ngawe. Because bantu will not back you up. If it starts making money, people will come close to see if bangayidla ile mali. Abona ukuthi awufuni nemali yakho. Awufuni ukuthi bayidle. Uyazi bazokwenza nabantu. Labe bekade bakushayela izandla yibo bazophinda bathi lento yakhe lena le kota idayisayo yimbi futhi masihamba wathenga downtown lapha kunandiyanalia you understand they are now messing your business up. What am I trying to say? Ungayi abantu baqabangani yangathi uNkulunkulu uqabangani. Isaiah 55 ngiyafundisa mina verse number 8 it says my thoughts are not your thoughts. Mina ngifuna la uNkulunkulu ngama thoughts and my ways are not your ways said the Lord. Ngicela ungifake endleleni yakho Jehova. Hayi le yabantu. Ngicela ukuthuza isikhozi ongayifuni. Athi hayi asambe siyowenza tourism. Ungene nawe shiqe tourism. Ayisinto yakho akuyazazi na ukuthi awuyoza utravel ube yi-tour guide yabantu lento futhi history nama archives akusinto zakho nabakubuza nje ukuthi ungakuphi ngapha sewaya before iwaya ungakuphi ungahluleka ukuthorisha abantu lapho la ubalaye ukuthi okay ngapha kuseBafa ngapha masingena ngale Iraq yonke base Iraq bayazi ehlukene Iraq ukuphi ngapha ukuphi ngabhekaka yabo so inkingi kodwa wena so busy manje ngetourism ngoba sonke fule kuyo sonke siphakathi siyohola abantu emayini blasting site control room ayisebenzi leyo nto okunye ungafakwa abantu. What do you think about yourself? Yini ngicabanga ngami because labantu ohleli nabo abasibakini noma ngathi abakini but awukadalelwa ukuthi uhlale nabo for the rest of your life. That is why mase sibadala siyashuka emakhaya ulo ayobona impilo yakhe ngendlela yakhe ulo yaphuma bhekele wena. What do you think about yourself? I understand your manager thinks you can be a cleaner, but what do you think about yourself? If you don't think usibone umuntu omkhulu, don't see yourself as a big person, you will always be in boxes of people. Uyazi ama-box ukuthi abantu mase bangawafuni bawenzani bavele bawathi bawafaka emlilweni noma bawabe ngaphandle thathwe ilwe kamasipala. Do you want to be like that? That is why people can easily throw you out of their lives. If I find out that I'm no longer welcome in a person's life, I leave and never come back. If ungavuka kusasa ngithola ungiblockile nami ngiyakublock so that uma unblock uthola sengikublockile. Ayitho ngifuna empilweni yakho. Senzani ke sidlala. We understand? So ithi mawubuya ungithola nami ngivalide. Hayi ukuthi uthi hello stranger, but we were no strangers. Thina nawe besima acquaintance, besima colleagues, besima friends, besima church members, but nase ngithola ungiblockile, shothi ubonile ukuthi ngiyinkingi. Angisho manje. Shothi angiphume ke empilweni yakho ngoba uzombuyisa, angikwazi umbuyisela ini manje. Yini le oyibonile songifunela yona. Nampinde ngivale leso sikhathi uphinde ungiblock. I need the thoughts of God. Say it with me. Let me be in the thoughts of God. Number one, destiny reduction. That's the danger of being a typecast. Danger.